You want today, guys, I'll teach you how to apply the screen guard on the phone. First, I'll ask you to clean this properly so that there should not be any fingerprint or anything. Should not be any scratches on the phone because it will take a bubble on it. Simply first clean with a cotton. First clean with a cotton. Next I'll suggest you to, if you have Colin or something, you can if you have Colin or something, you can clean with that also. Just apply small amount of that Colin and all. So it will get clear properly. If any oil and all is there, if anything is there, it will get clear off. Just now take a new cotton and rub. Just see a clear view of this. This is Lenovo K5 Note. I bought it from the Flipkart, but I won't suggest you this phone. I'll suggest you to go for the K4 Note. That's far better and cheaper than this, because in that phone, if you are lover of dual SIM in this phone, what is the default is that they'll provide you dual SIM, but the SIM is hybrid. You can use either dual SIM or one SIM card and one memory card. You can't use all those three things together. This is a demerit of the phone that I hate it. You should clean it properly. There should not be any scratch, or there should not be any dust on the screen. This is the screen guard you want to apply. First you should see there's number 1 and there's the number 2. First you should remove number 1 first. Once you are done with that, just try to first measure it off. First take a upper look of this. Okay, it is getting it will be okay or not while placing this. Should come closer to this, whether it will be proper or not. It's getting down also. Take it off. First keep this thing in this way. Problem you will face in the somewhere in the corner it will get tilt. Sorry, I'm coming in front of the camera because I need to see. See, from the down part is getting tilt. So in the beginning itself I should remove, I should take it up and try to tilt this way, so that you'll get some bubbles. There's no issue with that bubbles. You can remove it, will come out easily. It will come out. There's no problem with that. This bubble is because there might be some problem in the cleaning. No need to press this. Once you press it completely, all these bubbles and all, it will comes in 1 hour. Like if you start using this, once you are done with this, take a cotton, rub this properly. See, all the bubbles are coming out. I'm all done with it. Now what you're supposed to do, this is the number 2. You can see Lenovo number 2. You are supposed to remove this now. Should be properly fixed, the downward part. You should hold it because it will be coming up. Don't worry about this bubble, because it will go off in 1 hour. Once you start using it, it will be done. Thank you.